excursions. And many people visit in Japan, but not so many people visit Tohoku Northeast regional these days. So we are now promoting to go northwest.
I see. And what is there to see?
In April, so the cherry blossom is the best.
Yes, beautiful.
But also please go to the northern forests or mountains.
Mm-hmm.
They have very good nature trip. Northern part of Japan. It's like a hidden gem in Japan.
So April is the best month to travel to Japan?
Yeah, actually yes. And also the October or November is also good because
It's also good.
Its color leaves are very beautiful.
Oh. I can see that you have a lot of information about traveling to Japan via train, right? The railway.
Yes.
So like you can go, like say Tokyo and take the train and travel all around?
Yes.
How long? Maybe a week or two? You can see quite a bit already?
Yeah, 1 week or 2 weeks is enough.
Yes.
Because we have a very good network of a bullet train. It connects every city, major cities from north to south.
How nice. So you can book this before you leave, or you go and book it when you arrive there?
Yes, actually I recommend you to take this Japan Rail Pass. There are 3 types of passes, 7-day, 14-day, 21-day, and it's unlimited ride, both high-speed bullet train and commuter railroad in the metropolitan area. It covers everything.
I see. For you, for example, someone who's going to Japan for the first time, what do you suggest? Travel like say 1 week and then see the most important. Yeah, tell us about 1 week. What would be the itinerary? Tell us a good itinerary for a week.
So for 1 week, for the first time person,
yes.
So actually Tokyo and Kyoto and Hiroshima is the best cities because they are very historical historical places like shrines or temples, and also the good foods and cultures.
What about hotels? So they will arrange it by themselves? They can book the hotels from here?
Yes, I think so. So you can use Expedia or any other websites, and you can book hotels. Also the ryokan. Ryokan is a very traditional place.
How affordable would it be to travel? Let's say per day, how much would you spend? Let's say a student who wants to travel there, per day, what would be the budget?
but I think the budget, especially for a hotel budget, it's very cheaper than here, like New York City or Washington DC. Almost $100 or $150 budget you have per night.
Okay.
It's enough.
And so breakfast and meals, how much would you spend normally?
Yes, some hotels serve
breakfast.
Meals.
But then for you can also do side trips, other trips besides. What's the most important shrine or something that we don't miss, we should not miss?
In Tokyo area, so Nikko is the best place, but it's a bit far from Tokyo downtown. It's about 2 hours from Tokyo downtown station, but you can take a bullet train, also the express train from Tokyo or Shinjuku station.
Oh yeah.
So you can enjoy the day trip from Tokyo downtown.
Right.
Nikko is the best shrine, I think.
So invite our viewers in Japanese. Say something in Japanese. Say something in Japanese.
日本特に東北エリアはすごくいいところですので、観光地にぜひ皆さんいらしてください。よろしくお願いします。
What did you say?
Welcome to Japan. So
that's it.
Please come to Northeast Japan and Tokyo downtown area. So enjoy your trip to Japan.
Very good. Thank you so much. I'll show the cherry blossoms.